Hey guys, David HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. Another beautiful day right here. Good little day to show you another great little truck right here. Holy mackerel, she's a Peterbilt, boys. What a beautiful truck. Look at the shape of this thing. Holy mackerel. Look at that. That is incredible. Wow. You want me to tell you why that's in such good shape? Because that is a 2020 model, and it's only got 83,000 miles on it. Yepper, that's it, 83,000 miles, and it's loaded up with options all the way from Alcoa wheels to diamond plate to an Xtreme Easy 18 Hydratail hauler unit on back. I'll show you more about that in just a little bit, but I wanted to just show you how pretty this truck is. This thing is so clean. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. You gotta love the way Peterbilt puts their names right on their seats in case you forgot what you're driving, right? Such a clean truck. It's incredible. Look at that underneath down there. So, Xtreme. That is a power Hydratail, or a power dovetail, if that's what you want to call it. I just want to show you here. There's your box. Holy mackerel. Looks exactly like a 2020 should look like. Tires are great. Alcoa wheels are not even imitations, they're the real things. Oh, I guess I went by the tag right here. That is an 18,000 pound capacity bed on that. Massive. And this section right here, the loading ramp, so to speak, that's your Hydratail. That sits right there. That will lift and hold 10,000 pounds. Now, those guys that are used to using rollbacks, remember how far you got to roll your body back? Here's the end of the truck right here, right? So if you're running a rollback, you got to roll that thing all the way back to, holy mackerel, there someplace, just before you can use it. You know what you're extending here? Right there, 4 feet. That's all you're extending. You start working, you start moving around, you got to get in kind of a tight place or whatever. Wow, I'm telling you, all the difference in the world. Steel, you can drive forklifts, you don't have to worry about certain ramps, you don't have to worry about anything on this thing. What an awesome truck. Another toolbox on this side here. And just to show you, there is a drop trailer hitch right there, right? Okay, now that drop trailer hitch is so that when this comes up, there's a receiver hitch on the back of that, and you can put that drop hitch on there, put a trailer behind there. You can still use this 15,000 pound winch, run the cable back there if you have to, if it's a disabled vehicle, and you can pull another one up on a trailer if you have to. So slick. So here's how it works. Pretty simple. Even I can operate this. 3 controls right here. One for the flip tail, one for the dovetail, one for the winch. Pretty simple, right? It even gets better. This one's even got the optional remote control with it. So if I can get it turned on, there we go. So there you go. So you can stand over here, watch your cargo. Usually what I do is I put the back wheel of whatever I'm lifting right here. And the reason is because that does go up, and I don't want to hit the back of my frame or whatever with that. So that's how that works. Now what you're going to do is you're going to return this. When that comes up there you go. When you hear that noise, you know you're good to go. Now you set it back down. See what that does? That catches right there. And now she's locked in place. So you've got, I think it's about 23 feet right there. So if you need to haul a big old extended forklift, reach forklift like that, yep, by golly, you can do that on there. Such an awesome rig. And as I say, you can also run it with these controls right here as well. Doesn't matter, whichever one you want. And of course, it's a 2020 with only 80,000 miles on it. Power air ride seat on the driver's side. Power locks and windows, power windows on both sides, tilt wheels right here. Here's your headlights, there's your rear loading lights, four-way hazards, all that kind of stuff, headlights. We'll just turn that stuff off. If I don't, I'm going to forget. Nice system. You got reclining seat on the driver's side. We got kind of a loud radio. Okay. We'll start with that. So that radio says it's a Bluetooth. It's got the little phone symbol right there. It's got jacks so you can plug stuff in. Nice little set right there. Haven't figured out how to work that. It looks like it's supposed to be a backup camera, so it either doesn't work or I'm not smart enough, one or the other. This is the control for the light bar and the traffic control. So it lights up here, but I noticed the light bar itself is not doing anything. So we're going to say that it doesn't have that. You know, you go up there, you twist the wire together, whatever you got to do, you get it to work, you're fine. Right here is Jake brake, traction control, PTO switch, and it's got air ride suspension. So if you want to, you can lower that suspension down, make the ramp a little less severe. That way there, heating and air conditioning controls are right there. And over here you get your cruise control stuff, manual fan control. Such a nice truck. Delay wipers, all that kind of good stuff. Yeah, I love this on Peterbilt. So you got a little knob right here. You can turn this knob right there. You just turn this knob there, and then you can learn all kinds of things if you want to. This is the thing I always think is kind of nice. It's self-diagnosing all the time. There's nothing wrong with that truck. And it's got a whole 83,000 miles on it. Holy mackerel, look at there. Loaded for bear, ready to rock and roll. 33,000 pound GVW, all the sun visors, everything on this thing. I haven't, outside of this and that, haven't found anything else that doesn't work. The air conditioning is blowing perfectly ice cold. Very, very nice truck. Clean, clean, clean. 2020. I'm telling you guys, unless you go see the Peterbilt people, you're not going to get one a whole lot better than this, a whole lot nicer or cleaner than this. But you know what you are going to get? A whole lot bigger bill. Mercy sakes alive, these things are expensive. 2020 Peterbilt 337 cab. It's got an 18,000 pound EZ18 hydraulic dovetail loader on back. Allison automatic, air conditioning, power locks, windows. I don't know what more you need, guys. 83,000 miles. She's almost like brand new. Such a beautiful, beautiful truck. If you can use that, girl, you give me a call. I'm right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. My personal phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, I really appreciate you looking.